Hi 5th grade and welcome to your first virtual lesson. This is going to be a video of me walking through some of these slides and reading through them so that if you would like to follow along with me, you are welcome to do that. But you may also read through them independently if you'd like to do that as well. Before we get started in this lesson, if you have not uploaded your mask markup photo to the Miss Hout Turn-In folder from last week, please do that before getting into this online art lesson. What is radial design? Radial design is symmetrically balanced art that extends from the center. So it is a design that rotates symmetrically around a center point. So you can see in this picture, something will be drawn in one corner, which will be repeated and go around the center into the next corner, and then into the next corner, and then into the next corner. And when you are in person with me, we are going to talk about this rotation and this symmetry a little bit more. Your job for virtual learning today. You are going to start sketching what you might want your radial design to look like. So step one is to get a piece of paper or open up an app where you can create a blank square canvas. It should be a square, not a rectangle. And there is a video below on how to turn your piece of paper into a square. And you won't see that in this video, but you will see it on your Schoology page. If you are using an app, like I said on the last slide, make sure that it is a square. I use the app Autodesk Sketchbook, and when I went in, I pushed the button New Sketch, and then I created a square canvas by clicking the link symbol until it looks broken and not like together. Then I made the width 2000 and the height 2000 and clicked create. Step two is going to be splitting your piece of paper or your digital app canvas, if you're using your iPad, into 4 equal quadrants. So I just draw a straight line in the middle up and down and a straight line in the middle side to side. Step three, in 2 of the quadrants, only 2, not 4, you are going to draw 2 different designs of what your first radial design might look like. You do not need to rotate your design around the center. And I have 2 examples on the next slide. Again, I used Autodesk Sketchbook to create my digital version. So here you can see I am not rotating my design around the center point like I talked about earlier. I am not actually yet doing the radial design. All I am doing is figuring out what I might want one quadrant to look like so that when I do rotate it around the center, I know exactly what I'm repeating. I know exactly what I want my design to look like. So you can see I'm filling in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2 with 2 different designs, either on a square piece of paper or on a square canvas on an app. Step 4 is to save, screenshot, or take a picture of your 2 designs that you have created and to upload your picture, much like you did with your mask markup, into the Miss Hout Turn-In folder inside today's folder, which is day 4, September 8th. Okay, remember you only go into your cohort folder, so you should only be going into cohort B. You should not be going into cohort A. If you have any questions, please email me at mhout@edenpr.org, or you can message me right on this app on Schoology where there's a little envelope. You can just send me a message directly. Have fun, everybody.